At the front, you'll see 4 7mm bolts. Let's remove all 4. On each side of the bumper, you'll see another 7mm bolt. Remove that. And then if you go down, you'll see some push clips that secure this fender liner onto the bumper. So let's remove those. Okay, let's do the same to the other side. At this point on each corner, you should have at least 2 push clips. It looks like someone has eliminated those and just put a screw in for me, so take this off. But whatever you have, take it out so that this separates from this. Okay, and at this point, if your vehicle has fog lights, you can reach up in here and disconnect the bulb. Mine doesn't. Now, on each corner, you can pull the bumper cover out, just like that. Let's do the same to the other side. Remove it from here as well. Now you can take your bumper cover, slide it off. Be careful, you have your side marker bulbs here. Disconnect the connector on both sides. There we go. And there's an air temperature sensor here. Disconnect that. And here is your bumper cover. Now grab your bumper cover, bring it onto where it's supposed to be, and as you bring it close, don't forget to reconnect both of your marker lights on each side, as well as the ambient air temp sensor on the front. Press it on. There we go. It should lock in. At the front here, put back whatever mounting screws you had, or push clips. I had just this one screw here, so I'm going to reinstall it. That way it's as secure as it's going to get. Just like that. Let's put in the 2 push clips that went in here on the side. And the screw that went on the top here, 7mm. Let's do the same thing to the other side. And don't forget about these screws up top here, 2 on each side. Alright, now go ahead and line up your brand new headlights.